Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restart Steam on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and you can see your Steam interface, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where your system tray is located. You'll need to click on the small upward-facing arrow that says Show Hidden Icons. This will reveal additional icons that are running in the background, including Steam. Now, look for the Steam icon among these hidden icons. Once you spot it, right-click on the Steam icon to bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Exit Steam. This will completely close the Steam application and end all its background processes, which is important for a clean restart. After Steam has fully closed, you'll need to reopen it. You can do this by clicking on your Steam shortcut from the Start menu, or if you have a desktop shortcut, simply double-click on that. Either method will launch Steam again and begin the startup process. Once Steam starts launching, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while it loads completely. During this time, Steam is reconnecting to its servers, syncing your library and preparing your interface. This brief waiting period ensures everything loads properly before you start using the application. Now, there's an alternative method you should know about, especially if Steam becomes frozen or lagged and won't respond to the normal exit method. This approach uses Task Manager to force close Steam when it's not responding properly. To use this method, click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the Windows icon that opens your Start menu. Once the Start menu opens, type Task Manager into the search field. You'll see the Task Manager app appear in the search results. Click on it to open the application. Inside Task Manager, you'll see a list of all currently running processes on your computer. Scroll through this list and look for Steam or Steam Client Web Helper processes. These are the main processes that keep Steam running on your system. Once you find them, right-click on each process you see. This will bring up a small menu with various options. From this menu, click End Task. This will immediately terminate the Steam process, effectively forcing it to close even if it was frozen or unresponsive. If you see multiple Steam-related processes, you'll need to end each one individually to completely close the application. After you've ended all Steam processes, you can launch Steam again from your Start menu or desktop shortcut just like before. The application will start fresh, and this method often resolves issues with freezing or lagging. And that's it. You now know two effective methods for restarting Steam, whether it's working normally or experiencing issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.